thought it sounded exactly like what I wanted. I wanted to learn, but I wanted to be with a group of enthusiasts, and I wanted to do more than just drive back and forth to work or drive, you know, so it just seemed like the perfect thing for me. It felt like it was speaking to me. It was what I wanted to do. I learned a lot, and when I got down here and I first started driving, I thought I was okay, but the experience I learned from you and the other drivers here, I'm leaving with a tremendous amount more confidence driving. So I loved that experience, and I loved as the trip progressed. Like the last drive yesterday was my best, and it just felt great. But I wanted also to meet people and find people with common interest. And I think the times at lunch and breakfast and dinner were great, everything I was looking for. So it's really sort of two pieces. It was the experience of meeting all the guys, and they're all very different, but everybody has the same common love of cars and driving. So that was great, but just being able to do the drives and to gain confidence, and I feel like a skill that I didn't have.
Please subscribe to this channel if you are passionate about performance cars, want to better your driving skills, want to learn about new cars from an unbiased reviewer, are interested in car modifications and gear.